Don't be offended that you're not the favorite. You're not the favorite, period. You're not the favorite, period.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because we have Jasmine, my little sister. Anytime I show her, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube, they're like, oh my gosh, she's growing up so fast. How old are you?
13 still?
I don't know, girl, someone should be acting like she's 30, so I feel like you're not talking a lot. Which, I don't know if you're scared.
No. Okay, guys, so we're gonna eat some Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, I asked you guys on Instagram to ask us questions.
We got 2 burgers, 30-piece chicken nuggets, and then just like chicken strips.
Me and Jasmine have Chick-fil-A like almost every single day.
Every week.
And then we always get our diet lemonade. So freaking good. We finished the food before we started. I haven't had Jasmine in forever. You could probably go through my videos. The last video I've had with her, she most likely 100% looks really different. The fact that you were a baby just a couple years ago is crazy. I was actually...
I was not a baby. I was like 10.
Jasmine! Like you were growing up on camera. So let's get started. Okay, the first one. Who is your favorite sister?
No, I have. I don't know. I don't have a favorite because like
so Rocket.
But I've gotten closer to Myra. But I don't think she's my favorite. I don't think any of them are my favorite.
Triggered. I was kidding.
I don't know because I think I'm more mature than them. I think I know like
mature?
I'm more bold. You guys aren't really my type. But
no. So we're just your sisters because we're your sisters, but
I don't have a favorite.
So if like we were strangers, you wouldn't talk to us.
Don't be offended that you're not the favorite. You're not the favorite, period. You're not the favorite, period. I'm just kidding, Myra.
I wasn't expecting her to answer the question, let alone say we're not her type. I do feel like it's kind of even because she has her moments with Karina, and then sometimes she has her moments with me.
I don't have a favorite. Like my favorites are you guys. You guys are like closer to me. They're my sisters. Like it's fine, you know. Like I'm closer to you guys. It's like pretty fucking obvious, you know.
It's actually a really good one too, and like I've always kind of wondered.
Oh my gosh, what? Wait, am I asking you questions or is it just me?
Everyone's asking you questions.
Oh my gosh, okay.
So obviously me and Karina are both married.
Oh my gosh,
I'm going there. Who is your favorite, Raul or Brian?
I don't know, the same thing. I think I trust Brian a lot. Like he'd be more.
I feel like she's saying this because I'm here.
Dead ass. Like Raul, he's mainly like, I don't know. He makes me laugh because he's really like goofy. And Brian, he's just understandable and he gives good advice. So I think Brian's like a brother, like more of like a brother figure.
And then Jasmine was like a baby when you met Brian. That's crazy.
But it's because me and Raul aren't like that close. Like he comes around. He's mainly with Karina like all day. Y'all like come out more, you know?
Y'all come out more?
It's just his busy, like, you know?
Also, another question that got asked a lot, like I was literally going through them, so trust me, I'm not making these up. People want to know if you've ever had a boyfriend.
No?
So Rocket.
No.
Honestly, I feel like my mom would be more open with the idea of her like having boyfriends because my mom, you know, tells us her stories when she was like freaking 11 years old. I'm talking about like innocent relationships where like y'all barely hold hands type of thing. So I feel like my mom would be more understanding, but like my dad would absolutely be like, hell no. So maybe she's scared of my dad to watch this.
Maybe. No.
So if my dad was blocked from here, what's the answer?
No.
Is she having a quinceañera? Next year, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, yeah, she's gonna be 14 this year.
My birthday's like in 2 months.
It's next year in October 8th. Nothing's quinceañera, that's her birthday.
I don't think it's gonna be like on the exact day, but it's gonna be like, you know, a little bit.
Yeah, ours was way off. Well, it wasn't way off. It was like still the month of February, but like literally the year after. So we had like the sweet 16, but it was like a quinceañera. It's just hard with the whole virus. It's like, oh my god, is it really good? Like,
I think so, but if I don't know, like if it's like, not if it's like horrible, like the virus, if it's still there.
But it would be like kind of like last big party in the family, because I mean after that, like what, should get married, which is years. I'm hoping it's years and years after that. Me, Luis, and Karina are already married. What other big party, like, you know, I mean like maybe a baby shower or something when we eventually get pregnant. But like as far as like big party, I feel like the quinceañera is like the last one as of now. So we're really excited about that, but the quinceañera is for sure happening, and I feel like people always ask that because like they've been asking since you've been like shown.
Yeah, it's always been brought up. I am having one because I just want one.
Do you know like what color?
Like baby blue or like a white, because I like white. I want to be like kind of Cinderella theme in a way.
So cute. I think for a while you wanted to have at Disneyland, huh? But
Disneyland,
girl, it's too pricey. Period. Even before Luis did events, I'm talking about when me and Karina were like 10 years old. We would always talk about my quinceañera. I think he was just naturally like always excited to plan events, which is crazy because that's what he ended up doing when he grew older. Mind you, Luis is like 4 years older. He was like probably 14 years old. Isn't that crazy? But Luis has always been like on top of it, trying to plan things.
I think he's really like, he likes being like prepared.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I mean, he does do events for like a living, so like any kind of event he literally tells us all the time like, just get pregnant already, I can't wait to plan the baby shower. Jasmine's gonna look at the questions because I haven't finished my burger.
Who's the nicer sister, me or Karina?
To be honest, okay, let me actually get this straight because Jasmine is at a stage, she's kind of growing out of it, and a lot of people would notice. She had an attitude, like you couldn't speak to her. She was just super sassy and
okay, just stop the music.
got the cameras.
Like at school, like I did not like I swear I had like annoying, like okay, now they're not annoying. This particular kid would bring up my sister and watch her videos in class, and I would like be like, okay, because I did not like how I looked. Like it's embarrassing. Like I don't like that. Like I look hilarious. Like I look weird.
I actually was going through my vlogs and I look like a different person. And I think I had gotten Botox a couple years ago, and like my brows are like so arched, so like my face looks so different. I haven't gotten Botox, y'all, like, and I think over a year, so this is like my natural, like, I mean, this is literally, I can move my face around. So I think like just in general, when you're on camera, like growing up on camera, there's gonna be cringy moments that you don't want to look back at. I mean, even for myself, I'm older, I'm 26, but I started YouTube probably like 18, so at some point I'm gonna see myself growing up too, and like I do cringe at like my videos, but I do think it's messed up that this guy was like, or kid was like showing you.
I don't think it was trying to like bully or whatever. I just like, I think they knew it would bother me. Obviously I would be like embarrassed, but I wouldn't like, I didn't hold it against them or anything, you know?
See, I didn't know that.
But it wasn't like constantly, like now I don't care because
so Rocket,
like, what?
And like, you know, people would obviously comment on her attitude too.
So who is the favorite sister?
You know, not to bring her down her little clouds, but she could still be a bitch sometimes.
Oh my gosh, guys.
So
like
I think last week she was just giving attitude, and I straight up told my mom, I'm like, dang, were me and Karina like this growing up? And she did say that Karina was more like rebelde growing up. You know how people go through that phase? Jasmine definitely went through that phase. I feel like you guys both growing up are like the same person.
So I know what I mean. I know when I mean, girl. Like I know. I'm not doing it purposely, but when I'm mad, like it's probably because like, I don't know, dumb little things. I probably just get annoyed fast. I don't know, but when I'm mad, like I take it out on them because I don't think they're gonna take it like it.
I know she could be a brat, but like when she gets attitude, I know it's a little stage she's going through. So sometimes I will check her. I'm like, you're not gonna talk to me like that. Or sometimes I'll just like ignore it. But she's gotten better, and I feel like people are seeing her personality more. Back then it's like you were talking to a rock, and if she would respond, she'd like bark.
Yeah. Like I was mad.
Girl, you were like going through it. Like who hurt you?
Like I did not, like when she recorded my makeup, I did not want to be like, last year on my birthday, the day before my birthday, she wanted to do a video of her doing my makeup, and I was like, I didn't feel forced, but I was like, I have to do it. Like why? I just like have to do it.
You know what? Other times, yes. Like when we would film, she'd be like, okay. Like I just thought it was her. I mean, apparently she was being forced.
I don't want you to think you're forcing me. But I just did it because.
But she would do it like maybe just to do it. But today she was more excited, like, okay, yeah, I'm down, let's do it. And back then she would like absolutely not want to.
Like last year when I was in school, I was on the edge of my. Oh, sorry. I was on the edge. I was on like the edge, guys. Like it's because they would ask me to be in their videos like a lot, and I was like,
bitch, I can count the videos you've been on my channel.
You asked 5 times is the rejections you got. When they did ask me to be in their videos, I would say no. Little excuses. I remember we were at school. I was at school after school, and I was like, no, I can't. I was like, I have to do homework. But no, I just didn't want to be them. And then when I was in that one time, I did not want to look at the camera. I did not want to speak. I just wanted to leave. I look at it and I'm like, I was so mean. Like I was listening to music and I was just like on my phone ready to stumble.
Ready to cut the camera.
Dead ass.
Definitely, she was going through it. Like, girl, it's funny. It's funny that you actually look back and think, oh my god, yeah, I was a bitch. Like, it's funny that you're admitting it.
Yeah. I just got mad for no reason. Like, she asked me that day and I was not having it. And then I had to take a video too. And I was like, oh my god, I don't want to do it. Like,
we're trying to do the cute little video of her posing, blowing candles. Just a little video to post the day of her birthday.
I just thought it was so like,
this was for her birthday.
For what? Who's gonna see it? I feel like everything I did was so like, it would look so like, I would look so cringy doing it. When they told me to smile and I was like, I didn't know. It was sad. And then I took off my makeup and she got mad at me because we were supposed to.
Oh my god.
And I just like got ready to go to bed because I did not want to do any more filming.
So once her makeup was done, we were still gonna do the scene of you blowing out the cake.
No, the outro. I don't want to do all this and then go to school and then somebody sees it and then like laughs at me.
I just know that we were supposed to do the outro of the video. We're here waiting for her downstairs. I'm waiting for her to be done with this little birthday shoot they're gonna do. She walks out with her face smeared.
I got out of the shower.
Her hair was wet. And she just hops out of the shower with like mascara smeared under her eyes. I was
you started crying too, I think.
No!
You were sad.
I was flabbergasted.
You were so mad and then you went downstairs and I could have sworn you started crying. Like,
Jasmine, why would I be crying?
I thought my day was finished.
You thought my day was finished.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so this other question leads me to this. A lot of people are asking if YouTube is also something that you want to do in the future because do you want to talk about your first video?
Cut the cameras. Okay guys, I've seen that video a couple times, too many, and I am on the edge of deleting it, but I don't know how to put that down.
So where was I going with this?
But YouTube.
All serious, but
I did not like that. That's like probably the most embarrassing video. I didn't even teach them how to do a braid. I just did it. I was like, I just wish I did normal things. Cause there's people that just know me because of that. And it's sad cause like, you don't want to be known just because of that. So obviously not everybody, but a lot of people know. Sometimes I do want to do YouTube. Like now, I used to say like, no, I don't want to do YouTube. I just want to go to college, I guess, do that. I really like Emma Chamberlain and I like her vibes.
Yeah, you mention her a lot.
I mention that girl a lot, guys. She's
really funny.
Good. She's really funny. Her aesthetic is so cute.
She's your
inspiration.
And
I'm also scared that like I'm not gonna get views and I'm just gonna look dumb.
It's not even about that. You should do it because you want to do it.
I don't know, because I don't want to look like, I don't want to get like do it and then be like embarrassed.
No, what you should not want to do is start it and not and abandon it. You don't want to do that. But like if she don't want to do it, she don't gotta do it. She's for the longest time has been saying she wants to go to school. So I'm like, go off, you know, whatever dreams you have. As long as she has like dreams and is like driven and wants to do something with her life.
It's my way or the highway.
What?
It would be cool, you know, if I did want to, I would. I don't know what I would do, like I would be probably boring. What am I gonna do? Like I don't know what to do. Like I want to drive already.
Oh, I hate driving.
I love it. I remember my dad.
And that's only because you haven't driven.
I've driven. So therefore I would do a channel if I had the chance, but not right now.
If she told me I want to start vlogging tomorrow, I'd probably get her a camera. I wouldn't force her into it.
But I'm not saying nobody's forcing me, but I think I would. I just like, I don't know, I feel like since I'm getting older, like I don't even care what people think of me anymore.
Period.
Like I remember I used to be like, oh yeah, he called me fat, okay. I cannot be called ugly by a person that's uglier than me.
Period. This is another question that people are asking like crazy. Who do you think is the nicer sister between me and Karina?
Is that the same comment?
I think it is. I think this question was for you.
I think the nicest one is you. Karina, I don't think she takes anything seriously. She's just really like funny. Sometimes you'll give me a compliment. I think you're like a little like nicer.
Do you miss living in the mobile home?
Yeah.
I miss it. Sometimes you miss the coziness, huh? Like for instance, like us, it was like me, Luis, Karina. Was it you sleeping with us too?
Mm-hmm.
So it was like 5 of us. No, like 4 of us. And then David and Hugo would like sleep, I think, somewhere else. I don't even know where they slept.
Like the couch, probably.
Probably. Like I know like we would kind of rotate.
Because I remember I would sleep with my parents too, me and David.
So just you sleep with your parents, or like I don't know, sometimes we used to sleep on the couch, etc. We would always be piled up. And I remember when we first moved to the apartment, me and Karina, I had my own room, and I've never really, and I had my own room before because in the mobile home they had like this extra room that was so tiny. In fact, right now it's like Marisol's beauty room. Her vanity barely fits, so I don't understand how like I had a bed and a tocador in there. But I remember that room in general, it was just not being used at all, and I just decided, you know, I would use it up for a bedroom. And I've always been like to myself, I've always noticed that, like, I'm like, you know what, I want my own room, and if no one's gonna use the storage room, like, I'll use it as a bedroom. So I ended up using it as a bedroom, and then eventually somehow, some way, I stopped using it. I don't know how, and we went back to being all in the bedroom together. It's like so weird. I don't know if at some point like it would just become a storage and that was like the only option. I have no idea. But the last bit of us living there, we were all sleeping together. So I remember like when we had our own room in the apartment, I was like, oh my god, I miss being piled up, like feeling people's like legs on me, or just like being piled up. That's so crazy, but like I missed it. Here, like, we don't know any of our neighbors, and we're gonna answer just a few more questions because y'all, we are done. What's something that you don't like about me? And I'll tell you what I don't like about you.
Oh my gosh,
I'll tell you what I like about you. I mean,
what
hate.
you? Let's do like a like and hate. You're really like over dramatic. You know, you like.
So yeah, I'm really dramatic. Jasmine, I just don't like that she has an attitude.
You can't say that when I've been nice to you this whole week.
Okay, I like that Jasmine's very like free-spirited. You don't care, you want to enjoy life, you're not shy. You are actually shy with family.
I'm shy? Okay.
Like you're really shy with saludando, which is annoying because I feel like
I don't, not anymore.
I think it's rude when people don't like saludar. So I feel like Jasmine's
I feel like when I'm like put on the spot, I'm really shy. Like I feel like I get like, when we walk through that door at a family's house, I say hi.
Okay.
When I see you guys saying hi, that's when I say hi. So you guys don't have to tell me, I just follow you guys. Anyways,
I just like that she doesn't care. Like she really doesn't care at all. And I wish I just didn't care like that, because I feel like I'm way more sensitive and like I just care a lot. Like too much than I should. And I'm very like shy. I'm a very, like, if y'all don't know me, I'm like an awkward shy person. I've always been. I feel like I've broken out of it a little bit more. I've always been socially awkward and she's not, and I think that's what I like about her. What I like about Myra is she's really positive. She's about positive vibes. Okay, so Myra's working on something, and every time it's brought up, like, she's really like, what is it, the word? Like, she's excited, but she has like high hopes for it. I don't know, but she has high hopes for the things like that's coming up. And I like that, because sometimes when I like plan something, like I get scared, like I don't know. Alright you guys, I think we're gonna close out this video because we've been talking for way too long, but I hope you guys enjoyed Jasmine being here. We hope that we answered a lot of your questions. I feel like we kind of did. I feel like I actually learned some things, but yeah. Thanks, Jasmine, for being here. Literally, you guys, if you guys want to go to the last video, maybe it was the one in October. Oh my god, maybe this is that one. Oh my god, is that the last one? I know the date and everything. Alright, you guys, thank you for watching. I love y'all, and thanks, Jasmine, for being here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Bye.